Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the NordVPN password verification failed issue. To fix this issue, first of all, we have to download the application, and after downloading the application, open the application with your username and password. So after opening the account, try to open the settings from here and go to Auto Connect, and from here disable this option. Choose a VPN protocol and server automatically. Disable it. After disabling it, choose the VPN protocol NordLynx. After choosing, then go back to the server list and select the preferred server if you want. I would like to connect to United States, so I will connect it. As you can see, this is fast and easy, and this protocol comes handy and very useful. It has some issues, but ignore that. This is built around the WireGuard protocol, so it has some bugs and unwanted bugs. You can read the article if you want. I'd put this link in my description, so don't worry about that. And this protocol comes first at the Linux, so I will try to make another video on Linux how to connect that with this protocol. So that's it for now, guys. Please like my video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.